Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a deadbolt lock on a door and then install a new deadbolt lock on a door. So this is something that you're going to do when you're moving into a new house, or if you're afraid somebody might have a key to your deadbolt and you want to replace it. They're pretty easy to replace. You can generally get them for under $40. So let me show you. I'm not even going to be really talking during this video because it's so easy to do. I'm just going to give you a good look at what I do. It takes less than 10, probably 5 minutes if you're pretty comfortable with tools. So let's get to it.